Have you ever heard of Podio? If not, you're not alone. But if you have, you know that it's a powerful and versatile software platform that can be used for a variety of purposes. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Podio and explore its origins. We'll also discuss some of the key features of the platform and how it can be used to help you achieve your goals. What is Podio? Podio is a cloud-based software platform that can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management, task management, customer relationship management, CRM, and knowledge management. It is a highly customizable platform that can be configured to meet the specific needs of your organization. The origins of Podio. Podio was founded in 2008 by Jacob Holst and Kim Jacobson. The two founders had previously worked together at a company called Economic, which developed a popular accounting software platform. Holst and Jacobson saw a need for a more flexible and user-friendly project management tool than what was available on the market at the time. They set out to create a platform that would be easy to use and powerful enough to meet the needs of even the most demanding users. Key features of Podio. Podio has a number of key features that make it a powerful and versatile platform. Some of the most notable features include customization. Podio is highly customizable, so you can tailor it to meet your specific needs. Collaboration. Podio makes it easy to collaborate with others on projects and tasks. Workflows. Podio can be used to create workflows that automate repetitive tasks. Reporting. Podio provides a variety of reporting tools that can help you track your progress and performance. Integrations. Podio integrates with a number of other popular software platforms, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Salesforce. How Podio can be used. Podio can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management. Podio can be used to track projects from start to finish. You can create tasks, assign tasks to team members, and track progress over time. Task management. Podio can be used to manage individual tasks or teams of tasks. You can create tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. Customer relationship management. CRM. Podio can be used to manage your customer relationships. You can track customer interactions, create leads, and manage sales opportunities. Knowledge management. Podio can be used to store and share knowledge within your organization. You can create wikis, forums, and document libraries. Podio is a powerful and versatile software platform that can be used for a variety of purposes. It is highly customizable, so you can tailor it to meet your specific needs. Podio makes it easy to collaborate with others on projects and tasks. It can be used to create workflows that automate repetitive tasks. Podio provides a variety of reporting tools that can help you track your progress and performance, and it integrates with a number of other popular software platforms. If you're looking for a powerful and flexible software platform that can help you manage your projects, tasks, customers, and knowledge, then Podio is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Podio, I encourage you to visit the Podio website or sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about Podio. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.